check out this beautiful, beautiful Japanese knife my daughter brought me for Mother's Day. She brought it from Japan. So it's time to make some pico de gallo. And I have these beautiful jalapenos that I grew myself. So it is time for that pico de gallo for sure. So let's start with these jalapenos. I'm so excited that I grew these myself. So I'm just gonna lop the end off. A thing about the jalapenos, if you do not want your sauce to be too hot, you're gonna scrape these seeds out. I like the heat, but I'm gonna scrape out a little bit of it and just kind of go midway here. So I'm just gonna get this white pithy part out. You see what I'm doing? Just scraping that with a spoon is the best way. And I'm just gonna kind of cut this into strips. But I find it very relaxing and enjoyable to chop my vegetables and just run the knife through them. Keep your fingers up here. Keep the tip of the knife on the board and just go up and down. You're in nice control. So I like the jalapeno chopped as small as I can get it. You know what? It's good pepper, I can tell. I can like smell the oils coming off of it. This is gonna have a kick. All right, we're good to go here. Doesn't that look good?